Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is El Maestro. Kumusta kayong lahat? And for today's video, we will discuss and talk about geometric series. Handa na ba kayong lahat? Sit back, relax, and let's do this. Okay? So before we go on through solving mga example ng geometric series, first we're going to define what is a geometric series is. According to the definition, a geometric series is the sum of finite or infinite or terms of a geometric sequence. So, the same thing with arithmetic series. Kukunin natin yung kabuuan or yung sum ng mga terms na nandoon sa ating series or nandoon sa ating sequence. Okay? So, we'll have an example first. So, sabi dito, find the sum of the first 8 terms. So, given a series or given a sequence 2, 4, 8. So, given may tatlong terms ng binigay pero hinahanap is yung sum ng 8 na terms. So, in solving a geometric series, meron tayong dalawang formula na gagamitin. First is we have S sub n is equal to A sub 1 minus R raised to the power of n, close and open parenthesis. Tapos, meron tayong 1 over 1 minus r. Gagamitin yung formula na to if given yung first term, yung common ratio, and yung n. So, regarding common ratio, meron tayong separate video kung paano kung ano yung way or paano kunin or paano isolve yung common ratio. So, you can visit my channel regarding geometric sequence, no? Andun yung video natin. So, the second formula is we have S sub n, or this is the sum of the series or the geometric series, is equal to A sub 1, the first term, minus the last term times its ratio or its common ratio over 1 minus r. And this formula will be used if the first term, the common ratio, and the last term are given. So, depende sa anong given, pipili tayo ng anong formula gagamitin natin. So, with regard to this problem, okay, so, titingnan natin ano yung mga given so that we can decide saan dito yung gagamitin natin na formula. Okay, so first, the given are, first, we have the first term is equal to 2. Tapos, meron tayong n, the number of terms, 8. Sabi kasi niya, 8 terms yung i-compute natin o i-add natin o hanapan natin ng sum. Tapos, the last is we have the common ratio. Again, paano kunin yung common ratio? Meron tayong separate video. You just have to divide 8 by 4, so we'll have 2. Or, 4 divided by 2, and you will have also 2. So, ganun lang ang pagkuha ng common ratio natin. With that said, okay, erase natin yan. With that said, we'll now decide which formula we're going to use sa dalawa. Okay, so given these three, ito, we all know now that this formula, ito yung fit para sa tatlong given na to. Diba? Kasi given yung first term, which is meron tayong 2, meron tayong common ratio r, and meron tayong number of terms, which is 8. So, ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon na formula. So, now, isosolve na natin using this formula. So, we have to substitute all the given. Lahat ng ito is-substitute natin ngayon sa formula na napili natin. So, isa-isahin natin. So, we have S sub 8, which is the 8th term. Kunin natin yung sum is equal to, divide natin ngayon, yung first term natin is 2. Then, close and open parenthesis, 1 minus r is 2, n is 8. Then, over 1 minus r is 2. So, this is now the result. So, i-compute na natin. You can use your calculator in solving this one. So, unahin natin yung ito, nasa parenthesis, yung parang PEMDAS natin, no? Unahin natin parenthesis, tapos yung mga exponents, then multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, A sub S sub 8. Okay, since unahin natin to, so we just have to copy this. To 2, then close and open parenthesis 1 minus 2 raised to the power of 8, that is equal to 256. Then, ito, isa-subtract natin ngayon, 1 minus 2, that is equal to negative 1. Okay? So, let's continue. This time, ito na naman yung isosolve natin, yung nasa parenthesis. Okay? 1 minus 256. So, again, we just have to copy these 2. Then, 1 minus 256, that's negative 255 over negative 1. Okay? So, ganun lang. Until, okay, we multiply these 2. 2 times negative 255, that is equal to negative 510 over, huwag kalimutan, meron pa tayong denominator na negative 1. So, if we divide this one, the same sign, so the result is positive. So, S sub 8 is equal to 510. Meaning, the sum of the first 8 terms of this sequence is equal to 510. Okay? So, ganun lang yung pag-solve ng series or geometric series. Let's have another example. So, find the sum of the terms of the sequence 4, 12, and the last term is 78,732. Again, saan dito sa dalawang formula na to ang gagamitin natin? So, let's evaluate. Ano yung mga given? So, first is we have the first term, which is equal to 4. The last term, which is 78,732. And also, we have the common ratio. Again, you just have to divide 4 by 12 to get 3. So, since ito yung given, fit siya dito sa formula. This formula, hindi natin magagamit yan kasi wala tayong number of terms. Kita nyo? Sa given natin, wala tayong number of terms. So, this formula, hindi siya pwede. So, this is the formula that fits sa given natin. So, ito yung gagamitin natin because meron siyang first term, meron siyang R, and meron siyang last term. Okay? So, gamitin natin ngayon. So, the same thing, we have to substitute everything sa formula na nakuha natin, this one. Okay? So that is S sub n, kasi hindi natin alam pang ilang term to si 78,732. So, we just put it S sub n is equal to first term, which is 4, minus A sub n, which is 78,732, multiplied by R, which is 3, over 1 minus R. Yung R natin ngayon is the same, 3. So, again, unahin natin yung mga nasa parenthesis, PM does. So, Sn, ito. So, that is Sn is equal to 4 minus, multiply natin to. So, 78,732 times 3, that is 236,196. Okay? Then, the denominator, that is 1 minus 3, and that is equal to negative 2. So, with that said, let's continue. So, S sub n is equal to, ito na naman yung denominator. Isa-subtract na natin to. So, 4 minus 236,196, that is equal to negative. Okay, so the result, this is negative. Okay, lagyan natin ng negative. This is negative 236,192. And lagay natin yung negative 2. So, this is the result. So, this time, after this, i-divide na natin. So, negative 236,192 divided by negative 2, the answer is 118 or 118,096. So, this is the answer. So, ganun lang kasimple yung pag-solve ng geometric series. So, depende kung anong given sa problem, and we will now decide anong formula yung gagamitin natin or ano yung formula na fit doon sa kaninang mga formula na given, yung dalawang formula. Okay? So, that's for today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like and share. Thank you. God bless you all.